got stuck. All bad. What's up guys, your boy Legacy Jr. here coming at you with another video today. This is currently being filmed after all the festivities, motion activities, hood rat activities. But y'all already know what to do. Smash that like button down below. Subscribe, leave a comment, share the video with your neighbor. I don't know, share the video though, do something, okay? Without further ado, let's get into today's video. One up on Facebook. Can-Ams day with the boys.
Ese mamón, la mamón. Víctor, ¿estás viendo? No, tú comiéndome la... Hoy lo más valiente y esto para que vaya mi vida. Mi muerte sirvió a que escapara Ismael. Today we are going to TT8, the track takeover 8. Sac Speed Shop is hosting it. If you guys have seen my rear end video, it's going to be the same exact spot, same exact place. I'm not taking my truck in there just because it's not ready, and we got some other events to go to. But we're going to go today, we're going to vibe out, see all the cool cars. There's some pretty hot cars out there, honestly. Hopefully nobody smacks, but you never know with this. Some people don't got bars, some people got hella bars. We should be over there in about 40 minutes, and I'll catch up with you all then. Es porque la perdí y alarme, me lo gané, todo lo sudé. Me preocupo, va todo bien, va a disfrutar. Me gusta estar tronando las ligas con mi carnal. How's it going, boss? Do you need the ticket or a wristband, or what do you?
No, just make a right there.
Right here?
Follow them out there, yep.
Over there into the grass?
Yes, sir.
All good, thank you.
Thank you, have a good day.
You too. It's low-key thick out here, I'm not gonna lie. The Trailblazer thing. That shit's clean. The little Fox thing, that shit clean. That's cracking. Oh, brother got stuck. All bad. Homie got stuck. That's the bad thing about lower trucks, man. They look good, but these motherfuckers is not functional. He gonna come out? Yeah, it's looking bad. I got you. It's good. This shit's way more cracking than TT5. I low-key wish I would've bought a ticket. It's been a minute since I swung shit. Ricky going up. Hood. Okay, this motherfucker clean. We got Pinot shit. Butterfly wings up. He forward, but he's still clean. Nah, I fuck with this one right here. I'm on Malona. Man, I need to wrap my shit. I gotta stop playing. Rap goes crazy on this one. Check it out. There's a lot of clean shit out here, man. That thing. Shit, I don't know what color I should rap it. The play y'all think. I like blue, because I feel like a lot of people don't do blue. Besides that truck right there, but blue's cool. I'll probably do a blue that most people don't got. I mean, it's either that or we hold off on the wrap and we bring the Fox out. Which, I mean, I wouldn't mind. Bill Angle Kid Fox, I wouldn't mind that shit either. Chilling, bro. Honestly, I just got here. Hella late, bro. I was gonna hop in the pit, but tickets got sold out, all type of shit. Oh yeah, bro. I just ate, bro, before I got here since the media. That shit fire. That motherfucker.
Hold on, say that again. Case of what?
That shit active, man. Everybody crazy. Cool. Yeah, now this is what we're gonna check up on my truck real quick. What's good with Ricky?
What's up?
What happened, bro? Your exhaust fell or what?
I hit the wall and it fucking broke it.
Damn. That wasn't that bad though.
Nah. Hell no, I'm good.
You need wire or some shit?
Huh?
You need wire or something to hang it up?
No. Fuck, do you have some?
Let me check my truck.
It's good.
Fuck, bro. I parked hella far. Yeah, let me know if y'all fuck with the whole Can-Am and that shit. We'll add more of that to the video. This shit's clean though.
Big ass the plug all in off for the step. Big nigga solid, but stay with a whip. And I'm still in a bitch, beat a nigga like Tekken. Oh! Am I good? Oh! Big
called us since the morning.
And we were talking about it too.
Since the morning, my nigga said, I ain't leaving without no word.
Yeah! Poppy green.
Say green, poppy green.
It's not a real one.
That carbon fiber? Okay. Nigga, one? That's great. How you feeling? He called that out too, bro. I ain't gonna lie. He called it out. He was talking about that shit right now.
Don't never get back. DJ Blue, don't never get back. There you go.
It's going viral now, nigga. Fuck that.
Hey, nah, you deleted it. She's stupid motherfucker.
I'm just kidding. Your dog likes. Who else is your dog like? Who else is your dog like? Be honest.
Ex-boyfriend, she's took.
Don't do that.
She took. Only better. Oh, shit.
He took is crazy.
get 30 dead. It should be smooth. I can just hit the cutout and be quiet. But Walter got put over, 1,000 horsepower Camaro. Another one, so I just want to be smooth because we really don't want to get 30 dead. Bro, man, this event was cracking. I ain't gonna lie, it was a lot better than TT5. Nobody really smacked this time, crazy. Besides one car, but I didn't catch it. One car smacked and I didn't catch it. All right, I got the front plate on. I turned the lights off. We should be smooth. This motherfucker's camming though, bro. He might be chalk. Yeah, I don't know, bro. He's camming hard as fuck. He's right there. Oh, the light's green though, he's straight. And we're out of here. It just sucks how you can't build your cars in California like that because cops are always fucking tripping. Some people got thousands and thousands of dollars into their cars just to get that shit state ref. It's crazy. I need to get like this guy though. He got a tow truck and all type of shit. That way we can go to an event. You can get to go home chilling.
Alright, so I decided to go back home. We're cooking up the chicken right now. Lemon pepper, you feel me? We was gonna go out to eat, but I said, Self, you be eating out way too much. We need car parts, okay? But that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. If you guys did enjoy the video, you already know what to do. Smash that like button, comment down below. A lot of y'all are watching the videos and not subscribing. We're supposed to be, you feel me? We gang. Why are you not subscribing? We gang, okay? Lock in, twin. Like, come on, vibe out. But it's your boy Legacy Jr. I'm out. Till next time, peace.